everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I thought I'd share with you some clips from my first ever live cooking demo at Sonoma with Fix Hot Sauce. So I know that a lot of you showed interest on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, of wanting to be there. So this is my way of just showing you kind of what happened the day of. So in case if you were interested, you can kind of feel like you were there. So if you like these types of videos where I kind of show you guys the behind the scenes of Tastefully Balanced or what's going on outside of just my kitchen, then please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So you guys already know that I love cooking. Obviously, if you have followed me and you see me on this channel, on my Instagram, I love to cook. So when my friend asked me if I wanted to be a part of this event and cook some delicious recipes using Fix Hot Sauce, it was pretty much a no-brainer to say yes and do it. So that is why I was involved in this event. And one of the things that I absolutely love about Fix Hot Sauce is that it's 4 to 5 simple ingredients. And you guys know when I do my hauls, that is what I'm looking for. Unprocessed, simple to read ingredients. So I absolutely love that about Fix Hot Sauce. Also, it's spicy hot sauce. And you guys already know that I love my spice. So I had to say yes, and of course it was an amazing experience, and I hope you guys enjoy all the little clips that I gathered from that day and kind of feel like you guys were a part of it. So just keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed some clips from my first ever live demo. If you're interested in trying Fix Hot Sauce and live in the Seattle area, you can find it at Whole Foods, or I'll leave their website information down in the description box below. But if you guys like these types of videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.